So class 4th A GSC. Class 4th A. Class 4th A. Subject is GSC and date 6/10/2020. We are studying lesson 13, lesson 12. Lesson 12. Three states of matter. Three states of matter. In these states of matter, we have studied about the matter, states of the matter, studied about the three states of the matter: solids, liquids, and gases. Also studied the properties of the solid. I told you about in case of the solid have shape and volume, both are the fixed. Both shape and volumes are fixed in case of the solids. In case of the liquids, only volume is constant but shape is changed, or shape is the variable. While in case of the gases, both shape and volumes are indefinite. So we are studying here three states of matter are interchangeable. Three states of matter are interchangeable. It means one state of the matter may be changed into another state of the matter. As solid may be changed into the liquid and liquid may be changed into the gases. Vice versa means that the gases or gaseous state may be changed into the liquid state and liquid state again changed into the solid state. So in this way, one state of the matter may be changed into the another state of the matter. So we are reading three states of matter are interchangeable. Three states of matter are interchangeable. Three states of matter are interchangeable. You can take the example of ice. Ice will be changed into the water, the liquid state, by the action of the heat, and water will change into gas. Gaseous state as water vapors by the action of the heat, by increasing the heat. So we read here, a solid can change into a liquid form. A solid can change into a liquid form and a liquid can change into a gaseous form. These changes occur as the temperature increases. Similarly, a gas can be changed into a liquid, and a liquid can be changed into a solid. The changes occur as the temperature decreases. Thus, we can say that the three states of matter are interchangeable. So here matter may be changed, state of matter may change due to the effect of the temperature, As in case of the solid, that is ice. You take the ice cube. This is ice cube. This is ice, and ice is solid. Ice is solid, and on heating, what happens? Solid may be changed into liquid, into a liquid, that is called the water. This is water, and this is liquid, and more heating, it starts boiling, it has to be heated. This is a burner. So this is the by heating, further heating on heating, and this change into steam. Steam means gas. So these are the different states of the matter: the solid, liquid, and the gas. Three states of matters are there. Ice on heating change into water, that is liquid state of gas, and water by heating it change into the steam, and that is the gaseous state of the matter. On the same way, when water vapor is cooled, when it is cooled, we remove this one is the, and by the cooling. On cooling, what happens? Water vapors again converted into the water, and further cooling, the water converted into that big cube. So one state of matter can be changed into another state of the matter by the action of heat. By increasing the temperature, solid state of matter will be changed into the liquid state of the matter. By further heating, it converts into the gaseous state of the matter. And gaseous state of the matter, by cooling, converted into the liquid state of matter, and further cooling, it converted into the solid state of the matter. So in this way, three states of the matter are interchangeable. So three states of the matters are interchangeable. For example, water exists in its liquid form in its natural state, but it can exist in all three states. These are solid, liquid, and gas. That is the water vapors or the steam. If we heat a solid, the solid will melt into a liquid. This process is called melting. So, the process of conversion of solid into the liquid is called as the melting. If we heat a liquid, bubbles will be seen on the surface of liquid. This process is called boiling. If we continue to heat the liquid will change into a gas. This process of changing a liquid into a gas is called evaporation. If we cool a gas, the gas will change into a liquid state. We say that gas has condensed. This process of changing a gas into liquid is called condensation. If we further cool the liquid will turn into the solid state. This process of changing a liquid into a solid is called freezing. So the three states of matter may be changed, and these are the different terms. Thank you.